Are you tired of hunting for a turntable that sounds amazing and is easy to set up? Don't worry, today I'm breaking down the best turntables you can get right now so you can pick with confidence. Today, I'm going to be going over the best turntables that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK. Right out of the box, this turntable exudes a compact, approachable vibe that suits beginners seeking plug-and-play vinyl magic. The target audience clearly includes casual listeners and students who want effortless setup while appreciating a lightweight design that weighs about 2-4 pounds. Its price point positions it as an entry-level option that still delivers satisfying performances for everyday listening and sampling. Build quality impresses with a sturdy plastic plinth and a surprisingly rigid tone-arm base that minimize resonance during playback. The chassis maintains modest weight while feeling durable enough to withstand daily use and occasional bumps without flexing. Compact footprint measures roughly standard turntable dimensions, giving you versatile placement options on shelves and desks alike today. It uses a belt drive with a non-replaceable diamond stylus, designed for stable playback and reduced motor noise. Built-in phono preamp offers quick connectivity to powered speakers or small amplifiers without requiring separate external gear easily. The user-friendly design includes a start-stop button and a simple tone arm lift for gentle handling of records. In listening tests, it delivers clean mid-range and balanced highs, though bass is modest due to the compact motor assembly. Dynamic range holds up with well-recorded vinyl, providing engaging detail for various genres while supporting 33 1/2 and 45 RPM playback. In real-world use, you can rely on smooth startup and consistent performance during casual listening sessions. Compared to the Sony PSLX3110BT, the Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK offers more tactile manual controls and steadier tracking, yet it lacks Bluetooth streaming. The pros include easy setup and plug-and-play operation, a built-in phono preamp for connections, and a compact, sturdy design that fits spaces. The cons include modest bass performance in small rooms and fixed cartridge, offering limited upgrade potential for enthusiasts. At number 4, we have the Turntable Bluetooth record player. From the moment you unbox it, the aesthetic attention to detail signals a device aimed at both casual listeners and vinyl enthusiasts. The chassis uses a premium brushed aluminum shell that not only looks sophisticated, but also enhances durability and slip resistance during playback. Despite its compact form, the unit weighs about 4.6 pounds, delivering surprising stability without awkward balance issues on crowded desks. The initial impression targets vinyl newcomers and space-conscious users who crave easy wireless integration without sacrificing audio charm. It supports 33, 45, and 78 RPM speeds through a belt drive, enabling compatibility with a wide library while maintaining gentle record handling. A built-in phono preamp simplifies setup with powered speakers, while Bluetooth 5.0 enables stable streaming to wireless speakers or headphones. In comparison to the Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK, this model offers richer bass and easier setup due to its integrated preamp. The pros include excellent build stability, USB playback, and Bluetooth 5.0 that keeps pairing steady even when room layout shifts. The cons include a higher price than entry-level options and underwhelming bass performance when the built-in speakers are pushed hard. During testing, the unit delivered clean mids with minimal surface noise, while the USB playback preserved fidelity when digitizing vinyl into digital formats. In real-world checks, the belt drive dampened desk resonance, while Bluetooth speakers remained steady across a typical living space. Setup is straightforward and approachable for first-time vinyl owners, making it appealing to students and casual listeners seeking ease. Portability sits at a comfortable middle ground, allowing easy transfer between dorm rooms or apartments without sacrificing sound when paired with external speakers. For best results, pair with active speakers or a dedicated phono amp and place on a stable surface to optimize isolation. At number 3, we have the generic belt drive turntable. From the moment you unbox it, the turntable presents itself as approachable for beginners while still appealing to casual vinyl enthusiasts. Its setup is straightforward, and the 33 1/2 RPM option is clearly designed for flexible listening across solid formats. The overall aesthetic leans toward minimalism with a compact footprint that blends into living rooms without drawing excessive attention. Construction relies on a sturdy but lightweight plinth and a protective top cover that prevents accidental scratches during daily use. Despite its affordable price, the chassis feels robust enough to withstand routine vibrations and casual handling without creaking. A plastic dust cover sits detached when in use and locks firmly when closed, protecting records from dust and light damage. The belt drive system is tuned for reliable speed regulation and quiet operation, balancing friction, platter inertia, and motor torque. An adjustable anti-skate control plus a simple start-stop mechanism makes track alignment easier for newcomers and veterans alike. The tone arm is non-detachable and features basic tracking weight adjustments to accommodate a range of budget cartridges. In practice, vocals remain present with clean highs and restrained bass, delivering a balanced sound profile suitable for diverse genres. Dynamic transients feel immediate yet controlled, as the platter and belt interaction minimizes skipping and maintains steady reproduction under moderate playback pressure. Creaks and rack noise rarely intrude during routine listening, and the overall reliability remains credible for casual weekly vinyl sessions. Compared to the Project Debut Carbon, the generic belt drive turntable sacrifices some mid-range nuance for easier setup and a friendlier price. The pros include easy setup, affordable price, and compact footprint. The cons include lax built-in phono stage and limited tone arm adjustability. At number 2, we have the BY ONE Turntable. Initial impressions emphasize durability and purpose, appealing to audiophiles seeking precise tracking and a tactile, immersive vinyl listening experience. The extruded aluminum chassis feels solid and dampened, while the compact footprint integrates neatly into most listening setups without dominating the desk. Its dimensions balance a generous platter area with a compact height, enabling placement near speakers without obstruction or cable strain. A precision belt drive, low resonance platter, and adjustable anti-skate ensure stable rotation and accurate tracking across diverse pressings. Compatibility with standard cartridges via SME or mountable headshell and optional built-in preamp makes setup flexible for different rooms and systems. A separate isolation foot system reduces external vibration, and a precision motor maintains speed stability to preserve audio fidelity across tracks. During informal tests with analog masters and modern pressings, the table delivered clean channel separation, low surface noise, and convincing dynamic range. In repeated plays of jazz and rock, rumble was minimal, and pitch drift remained within a tight tolerance across several hours of listening. Compared with the Regaplaner 2, the BY ONE Turntable offers tighter torque, stronger chassis feel, and more consistent speed control. Long listening sessions revealed stable channel balance across mono and stereo, with minimal crosstalk and perceptible but controlled resonance from the plinth. Overall, the turntable delivers compelling value for its price, pairing traditional warmth with practical modern features and reliable consistency. The pros include excellent build, low vibrations, and quiet motor. The cons include higher price and limited third-party support. At number 1, we have the Turntable Vinyl Record Player, a centerpiece designed to bridge classic warmth with modern usability for enthusiasts. From the moment you unzip the box, the immediate impression is of solid build, elegant lines, and approachable setup for newcomers. Its housing sports a brushed aluminum shell that gleams under ambient light while conveying premium durability and a retro yet contemporary vibe. The internal chassis uses precision milled aluminum components that minimize resonance, stabilize the bearing, and improve overall cueing precision during playback. Despite its robust feature set, the footprint remains surprisingly compact, allowing placement on small shelves without crowding nearby speakers or decor. A belt-driven system isolates motor vibrations, dramatically reducing rumble on playback and preserving clean microdynamics across delicate acoustic passages. The built-in phono preamp lets you connect directly to powered speakers or audio interfaces, simplifying integration without an external box. The tone arm is a precise 9-inch S shape with smooth damping, offering balanced tracking and reduced skating across a variety of records. Included cartridge is user-friendly with easy alignment marks, and the tracking force is adjustable to suit heavier or lighter vinyl. Switchable speeds offer 33 and 45 revolutions per minute, controlled by a responsive belt drive and stable idle rotation. In listening tests, the unit delivered consistent speed, minimal wow and flutter, and a pleasing full-bodied warmth across rock and jazz. When placed beside the ProSpin 3000, this model offers quieter operation and simpler setup for beginners overall today. The pros include solid build quality, low noise, and built-in preamp. The cons include higher price and limited upgrade options. For ongoing maintenance, the platter remains easy to clean, and the belt drive is accessible for quick tension checks and replacements.